So in my last video, I got the fenders in epoxy primer, and then I did the trunk area. Today I did the whole car. Turned out pretty good. I got some areas, once you get it all, I'm gonna say this, start over. Once you get it all in one color, boy, you can see the places you missed when you're doing your initial body work. So the next step after this will be to be able to get some high build primer on it, where I can start block sanding it out really good, and maybe touch up a little couple spots that might need to be touched up with some filler. Maybe, I'm not sure. Might be able to just get some sanded out with some primer on there. But today we're going to be tackling the engine compartment. I'm just gonna get the old Harbor Freight sander out, sand it all down good, and then I'm going to be using this, the Rust-Oleum, Krylon, sorry, Tough Rust semi-flat paint. And the reason I'm doing that, I'm not even gonna, well, let's get back over here again. Eliminates rust. Paint over some light surface rust. I think it's got probably like a self-etching, like the acid in it, like a self-etch primer does. Oops, sorry. So that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm going to use it. Because I'm the kind of guy that's always going to be goofing around here in the engine compartment. I'm going to put a 302 in this for now. Maybe I'll put something else in it, but I'm always going to be screwing around in it. So my idea behind the spray bomb paint, for one, it's the perfect color. I think I've mentioned that in one of my other videos. But second, well, it's just easier to apply. Second, or third, I don't know where I'm at. Once I paint all this, being the guy that I'm going to be working on this all the time, if I do scratch this, all I can do is quick get the rattle can out, spray it on it where I scratched it up. I did this on the Falcon. Turned out, I don't remember if I did it on the Falcon or not. I might have touched up some spots in the Falcon. I was trying to not have a too finished look on the Falcon. But in the Mustang, I did that. It turned out great. I haven't had any surface rust or anything, but I did sandblast that whole engine compartment on that. But this one, I'm just gonna get the sander out, go to town on it, and then paint it with that. And from top down on Fairlanes and Trinos and, well, Fairlanes and Cyclones or Comets of this era, those are body color. So I'm debating upon whether I want to leave that body color or just paint it black like a regular 69 Mustang would be, but I'm thinking I'm going to do body color, maybe. I don't know. That'd be a lot of extra taping. I don't know. I might just paint it black. Be easier. So that's what I'm going to do. So that concludes it for tonight. It's getting kind of late. Actually, I don't really know what time it is. Should look at the camera. Anyway, we'll hit it tomorrow. I just got some more spots to touch up by hand sanding. Blow it off. Wipe her down with some wax and grease remover. Blow it off again. Gotta look it over. Maybe I have a spot or two to sand, but after I do that, then we'll put some paint on it. Now it's about ready to get painted. I got it all sanded, and I just wiped it, well, I blew it all with air, then I wiped it down with wax and grease remover. So next step is going to be to slap some paint on this baby. Well, there it is with the first coat of paint on there. You see down there I missed that whole section, so I definitely got to come back and give it another coat. So we'll see what it looks like after that. Well, there's the finished product. Didn't turn out too bad. A little glossier than I remembered it being, but not bad. You know, the light's shining on her. Got a couple runs in a couple spots. I'm not good at painting left-handed. A little thin through here. So I'm out of paint, so I'll have to get another can or two and give her one more coat. So, but it's easy to, whoa, almost tripped and fell. Easy to repair or fix, you know, so that's why I went with this kind of paint. So see it.